Hello, I'm Christine from Quiz by Bike, and today's video I'm gonna show you how to level and adjust your saddle. Actually, I'm gonna give you some hacks, 3 hacks to help you adjust your saddle. Let's start it. Last week I did a video about 6 tips for you to avoid back pain when you're riding your Brompton. And I got a lot of questions about the saddle, how to adjust it, height, fore, aft, level. So today's video I'm gonna show you 3 hacks that help you find, it's not the right adjustment, because the right adjustment you would have to do a bike fit. Yes, a bike fit. You go to a bike shop and they have all this great equipment, and like this I done it several times for my road bike, and it's cool because it puts your bike adjust to the best adjustment for your body. This way you have the right adjustment. But in this video I'll show you 3 hacks just to, get the basics. So let's start it. I'm so sorry, it's very windy today, but today is the only day I have to film this video, and I think it will be a very nice video. Hope it's not too noisy beside the waves, because it's a nice noise. Well, let's start with the saddle. The saddle, you can put higher, lower, fore, aft, and level, or put tilted towards up or down. To have your saddle too high will hurt your knee and your back, because you're gonna keep rocking, your body gonna keep rocking, and your muscles gonna work more than they should. Okay, the first adjustment, the height. How do I find what's the right height that I should use? Very, very, very easy. In any bike, not only on the Brompton, okay? In this case, you need, in my case, I'm using this bench, but you can use a wall or anything that you could, hold yourself straight, and place your pedal all the way down. Put your knee, put the bottom of your foot down there, and it has to be straight with your ischios right on top of your saddle, and the pedal down, it has to be right here. Your leg has to be straight. And you can ask me, my leg is straight, it's gonna hurt when I pedal. No, check it out, it's so cool. When you put the right part of your body to pedal, look what happened. You got the right bend to pedal, okay? That's the easiest way to find out your saddle height. There's some other ways, but they're more complicated, and they get you almost in the same place. Here am I, well seated. Gonna put my pedal down. Oh, by the way, when you do this measurement, choose the same shoes, or at least the shoes that you're gonna use most to pedal, because some shoes are higher, some shoes are lower, and it makes a difference. Okay, so now let's go to the second one. The second one has a great hack. So we got the height. Now we're gonna find out fore or aft, and this one is very interesting. Come here. Okay, I took my bag out so I can see better. Underneath the saddle there's a rail, and you can go fore or aft. And to know this, to measure this, I'm gonna show you a rack. So let me show you a very nice hack, and this one is a truly hack, completely hack. it's funny one. Actually, you can use anything that can hang down with gravity and stay straight. Can be a line, can be a phone charger. In my case, I brought a headphone cable. I know, it's a hack. Let me show you. What you have to do is when your pedal is horizontal, when you're sitting, your sitting bones are right on your saddle. You grab, can it be any cable, it doesn't have to be a phone cable. It can be anything that have some weight on the bottom and can get straight. So I'm gonna put some weight here and make a very straight cable. What you do is put your pedal straight in a horizontal line, well seated. You can hold it in against a wall or something, and when you put your line, your knee should be on top of your pedal, on top of your foot. Remember the metatarsals? Yes, because this way it goes up and down in a straight line. Will be no problem to hurt your knee. I know, hacks are like this, very simple, very basic. That's why they're hacks, You can use anything. You can use a phone charger, you can use a cable, you can use a cord. Anything that goes straight with gravity. Okay, so we got the height, we got fore and aft, and if you don't know what to do, and to adjust it, you just loosen up your pentaclip, go forward, backward. Might be curious, what are those? After I adjust my saddle, I always mark exactly what it should be, because when I take it out for trips or anything, it's very easy to put it back. I don't have to measure everything again, you just put it here. So after you find the right adjustment, after you find exactly how you want your saddle to be, with no pain, no anything, make a mark. Okay, now we have the height, we have fore and aft, and we need to level. But for that, I'm gonna do it at home, because I'm starting to feel little raindrops and I don't want to get wet. So let's go to my house. Okay. Got back home safely and the rain didn't got me. That's cool. Let's go for the last adjustment, the third one, and that's tilt, and actually not tilt your saddle. Put it straight. Let's level up. First thing you're gonna do is lean your Brompton by the handlebar, but beware, because not very safe. But put your Brompton straight. So this way you really can level your saddle. And you can use a level 2. Have a small level 2, but you have those big ones. So you can just put it here and level up. I know, it's simple. But the hack is you can download the app and do it with your phone. Is that cool? You don't need a special tool to do it, And the reason for the saddle to be level is if you tilt it like this, the nose down, we give you a lot of weight on your hands and your hands might hurt. And another thing that happens is that when the nose is still down, your saddle is like this, your body slides a little bit towards the front. And this will put your body not aligned anymore, So a good thing is to put it straight. And if you put your nose up, what happened will be that your ischius will be here, but your soft tissue will be hurting, you know, will be holding your body. And our soft tissue are not supposed to hold our body, you know. The part that has to hold our body are the ischius. So if you put it straight, your ischius will be here. You have the right width of your saddle. Okay, I will make a video about how to find out the distance between your ischius. A professional way and a homemade way. So if you have the right saddle, the right width, your ischius will be right on top, and that would be perfect. So you can use a special tool to level your saddle, or let me show you what I usually do, because I'm not gonna carry, you know, this when I travel. So let me show you. You can use a level tool, or you can download an app that has all the levels you need and works the same. So for that, place your phone where your ischius would be, and you get a level saddle. And it's very important, extremely important. This way you won't have knee pain and would help you not having back pain also. I hope you did like it. They're very simple, but lots and lots of people ask me that. Here you have 3 hacks to help you adjust the height, fore, aft, and please, please, please use it level. Never use your saddle with your nose up or down. Always level, especially in the Brompton. Always level, okay? Especially in the Brompton. So I hope you did like those 3 hacks. They help you to find your best setting for your saddle and help you ride more comfortable. It's good. It's so nice to, you know, enjoy riding. So if you did like it, thumbs up. Yes, say it. Yes, I like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please, please do, because I have a lot of quick tips, and they come, the long videos come out on Saturdays, but the quick tips come out whenever that I remember, you know, that I could share with you little tips that would help you. So to be notified about them, you have to sign up. And if these tips help you somehow, you know, if you're happy with the channel, give your super thanks. Yeah, I love super thanks. They're so cool. Oh, I really love them. They're neat, because it showed me that, you know, you really liked it, you know. And I know it's getting so big, but if you want to search for Nyce upgrades, Brompton upgrades, now I'm a Amazon associate. Is that cool? I thought it was so cool. And I have my own page. The channel has its own page in Amazon. I always research for Brompton upgrades or bike stuff or things that I think they're cool, you know. So if you want to go there, visit. You're welcome, always welcome. Hope you did like it, and keep safe, keep riding. Oh, so cool. Love to ride my bike.